I'm sure over the years, you have probably heard your fair share of wacky weight loss advices. Whether it is to drink celery juice every day or replace your meals with weight loss. Often those tips are promoted by people without any health expertise. But just as there's a ton of misguided weight loss advices out there to be avoided, there are also a lot of legitimate, research-backed and expert-approved suggestions for people who are in the right mental health space and have weight loss as a personal goal. A study published in July 2019 in the journal Obesity found that exercising consistently at a certain time each day may help you successfully maintain weight loss. Are you confused? Thinking about what should you do for weight loss effectively? Do not worry. I'm here. Hello friends. Here in this video, we are going to tell you about 12 tips for weight loss. But before we start this video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then make sure you subscribe to it and hit the bell icon also for further new videos. So, let's just begin with point number 12. Do not skip your breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you lose weight. You could miss out on essential nutrients and you may end up snacking more throughout the day because you feel hungry. Number 11 is you should eat your regular meals. Eating at regular times during the day helps burn calories at a faster rate. It also reduces the temptation to snack on foods high in fat and sugar. Point number 10 is you should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and veggies are low in calories and fat and high in fiber. 3 essential ingredients for successful weight loss. They also contain plenty of vitamins and minerals. Number 9. Get more active. Being active is the key to losing weight and keeping it off, as well as providing lots of health benefits. Exercise can help burn off the excess calories you cannot lose through diet alone. This is the reason exercise and diet go hand in hand. Number 8. Plan your meals. Try to plan your breakfast, lunch and dinner and snacks for the week, making sure you stick to your calorie allowance. You may find it helpful to make a weekly shopping list. Absolutely, you should do that. Moving to number 7, which is drink plenty of water. People sometimes confuse thirst with hunger. You cannot end up consuming extra calories when a glass of water is really what you need. Number 6 is eat high fiber foods. Foods containing lots of fiber can help keep you feeling full, which is perfect for losing weight. Fiber is only found in food from plants such as fruits and veggies, oats, whole grain bread, brown rice and pasta, and beans, peas, and lentils. Moving to number 5. Number 5 is read food labels. Knowing how to read food labels can help you choose healthier options. Use the calorie information to work out how a particular food fits into your daily calorie allowance on the weight loss plan. Moving to number 4. This is actually very important and we avoid. Number 4 is use a smaller plate. Using a smaller plate can help you eat smaller portions. By using smaller plates and bowls, you may be able to gradually get used to eating smaller portions without going hungry. You know, it takes about 20 minutes for the stomach to tell the brain it's full. So eat slowly and stop eating before you feel full. Moving to number 3. Number 3 is trim portions. If you did nothing else but reduce your portions by 10 to 20%, you would lose weight. Most of the portions served both in restaurant and at home are bigger than you need. Pull out the measuring cups to get a handle on your usual portion sizes and work on paring them down. Get instant portion control by using small bowls, plates, and cups. Moving to number 2. Number 2 is do not stock junk food. No, you should not buy junk food whenever you are visiting to grocery store. At least I don't do that. You should not stock junk food such as chocolate, biscuits, crisp, and sweet fizzy drinks at home. Instead, opt for healthy snacks such as fruits, unsalted rice cakes, oat cakes, unsalted or unsweetened popcorn, and fruit juice. Okay, moving to number one. Number one is actually very important. Cut down on alcohol. A standard glass of wine can contain as many as calories as a piece of chocolate. Over time, drinking too much can easily contribute to weight gain. So make a note of it. Hope you understood all these pointers and tips for weight loss, which will help you to control your obesity. If you like this video, then share it with your friends, family, and others. For further more videos, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Fit and Care. Okay, see you friends in a new video with a new topic.